Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we are continuing the chapter Acid, Base and Salts. In this part, we will be studying the testing of acids and bases. It is said that tasting the substances is not good to our health because there are some chemicals that may harm or damage your mouth and the body. So, not all substances can be tested and identify whether the substance is acidic or basic. In this situation, we have some chemicals to check whether a substance is acid or base. We call them indicators. So, what are indicators? Indicators are substances. Indicators are substances which are used to test whether the given substance is acidic or basic. This indicator shows different colors in acid and basic solutions. Thereby we can identify the indicators, we can identify various substances whether it is acidic or basic. So what are indicators? Particularly we say acid-base indicators. So what are acid-base indicators? Acid-base indicators are substances which are used to test whether the substance contains acid or base. Because they show different colors in acidic and basic medium. Right? Now, for example, litmus paper. Litmus is a very common type of acid-base indicator, litmus. Litmus is made from a plant, we call it lichen, L-I-C-H-E. What is lichen? Lichen is a plant which grows on the bark of the trees and old trees, lichen. They are brownish to yellowish to whitish color. They contain this type of chemical. So, lichen is also called pollution indicators. Pollution indicators. Why lichen is called pollution indicators? They are indicators because they do not grow in an environment in which pollution is more. Polluted environment, the lichen cannot grow. You know, lichen is the symbiotic association of algae and fungi. Symbiotic association of algae and fungi. In lichen, the algae synthesize food for the fungus and fungus give protection to algae. So, algae and fungi together form a symbiotic association that is called lichen. Here it is? Yes. Now, litmus is of two colors. They are available in two colors. First one, blue colored litmus and red colored litmus paper. So they are also found in the paper form or in the liquid form. So I am telling about the paper. There are two colored papers of litmus. First one is blue litmus paper, and the second red litmus paper. The blue litmus paper turns, you can see the blue litmus paper turns the acid into red. So, blue litmus paper turns acids or acidic solution into red in color. So, what? Blue litmus paper turns into red in acidic solution. Any acidic substance you come in contact with the blue litmus paper, then the blue litmus paper become reddish in color. Now, you take the red litmus paper and come in touch with or contact with the basic substance or basic solution, it becomes again blue. So, blue litmus paper turns into red when it contacts with the acidic solution. When red litmus react with the basic solution, it becomes bluish in color. So, litmus is the most commonly used indicator in our day-to-day life. Not only in the school and laboratories, various industries also uses this type of litmus. whether the solution is acidic or basic. Then we can also identify the pollution in the water. If you take an example of polluted water and use this litmus paper, you can easily identify whether this polluted water contains acid or base. So litmus paper, which is a combination of algae and fungi, okay, symbiotic association, which is extracted from a small plant, symbiotic plant, that is called lichen. So litmus is extracted from lichen, right? They are the most commonly used indicator. Now we can also make natural indicators like turmeric powder, turmeric indicator and China rose indicator in our home. Turmeric and China rose indicator we can make in our home. How to make this turmeric solution? We can take 1 teaspoonful of turmeric powder and 1/4 of what we call alcohol. What type of alcohol? Rubbing alcohol. Okay, rubbing alcohol we can make. That one is available in the medical shops as well. The alcohol. So 1 spoonful. I mean 3/4 of the acid. That may be in 1 teaspoonful. Then turmeric powder 1 teaspoonful and the rubbing alcohol 1/4. You mix it and rinse it till the whole solution become yellowish. Now we can understand that we can take 1 antacid tablet, dissolve in water, or lemon juice. We can take that lemon juice shows a pale yellow color. When your indicator, turmeric indicator, add 1 drop of turmeric indicator, add to this antacid solution or lemon juice, it becomes pale yellow. And when you add the soap solution or sugar solution, you will get different colors. So we can understand that the turmeric powder mixed with the rubbing alcohol and rinse it very well and make the solution yellowish, then it is ready for the test. At the same time, China rose petal, you know China rose, hibiscus, rosa sinensis. You can take the red colored petals and put in some water, okay, beaker of water. Then warm water you must take and rinse it till the color become light reddish. That we can use for identifying. It turns acidic solution dark pink and the basic solution green. Basic solution green in color. So in this way we can also make natural indicators like turmeric solution as well as China metal solution. So in this part we have studied how to test various substances by using indicators. What is the full name? Acid-base indicators. So acid-base indicators are substances which is used to test whether the substance is acidic or basic. Now this acid-base indicators, particularly they change the distilled water purple in color. Purple in color. Acid-base indicator shows purple color in distilled water. There are 2 types of litmus paper, which is a commonly widely used acid-base indicator. Litmus paper is of 2 colors, blue and red litmus paper. Anyhow, the litmus is made from lichen. Okay. Blue litmus turns into red in acidic solution. Okay. Now the red litmus we can mix with or react with the basic solution and it become again blue color. So this will keep on changing. This is a very good activity to be shown in the class. Now we can also make a natural indicators like turmeric powder indicator and China rose indicator. Turmeric powder indicator we can take 1 teaspoonful of turmeric powder, mix with 1/4 of the rubbing alcohol, mix it thoroughly. Then we can test whether the substance is acidic or basic. Then again China rose petals mix with the warm water till the color become reddish. then we can use it for testing. In this way, the indicators are substances used to test whether the substance is acidic or basic. That is all about the part of indicators. Thank you.